update coming in seems to be the rift that seems to be evident within the Mahayuti just before the elections that take place in the state of Maharashtra. As far as the Pimpri Chinchwad seat is concerned, because according to sources, there are many former corporators who decided to quit and may move to the opposition NCP Sharad Pawar faction, saying that there are at least 10 former corporators from the NCP and 8 from the BJP. However, is the rivalry being the main reason within Mahayuti? That remains to be seen. But this is as far as the contentious issue that is now confirmed. When it comes to confirming, almost when it comes to the Nationalist Congress Party, Ajit Pawar faction, which has been demanding the Chinchwad constituency for itself. However, when it comes to the last 3 elections, the BJP has been elected, or rather an MLA has been elected from this constituency. Let me go across to Arunil now. Arunil, good morning. The exodus, is it likely in the Pimpri Chinchwad seat? What exactly is going on there as far as the NCP, BJP and Shiv Sena factions are concerned of the Mahayuti?
Well, the Pimpri Chinchwad case is significant and interesting, Amita. Good morning to you. The reason for that is a mass exodus of 18 ex-corporators. Ex-corporators because the civic body term has ended now. Around 10 such corporators from the Ajit Pawar camp, as well as 8 from the BJP. They basically are threatening to quit the Mahayuti and join the NCP Sharad Pawar camp. The reason for that is there is an intense rivalry between the Ajit Pawar faction and the BJP itself within the Pimpri Chinchwad belt, which has 3 assembly segments. It basically has 3 assembly seats. And all these corporators now feel that they have a better chance with NCP Sharad Pawar's party. Now, whether Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar will be able to withhold or counter this storm, that we will be keeping a close eye on. But it is expected now that 18 of these ex-corporators from the Mahayuti, Ajit Pawar and BJP, they are likely to jump ship and join Sharad Pawar camp of the NCP.
So they have the option of Mahavikas Aghadi there as far as the political situation, which has completely changed since the by-elections. Let's see exactly what happens when it comes to reaching out to those former corporators. Thank you very much, Arunil, for joining in. You're watching the Morning News. We will be back after a very short break.